The world's population is expected to grow from 7.9 billion in 2021 to 9.7 billion by 2050. And as the number of people increases, the planet's resources are being depleted. Resource scarcity is therefore a major challenge for our world and for the economy. But for investors, this is also an opportunity, as society learns how to use what we have more wisely. And this is why we present to you the Robeco Smart Materials Strategy. This strategy invests in companies creating innovative solutions to better manage the balance between resource use and economic growth. The need for companies providing solutions to resource scarcity has never been greater, and an additional impetus has been added by the COVID crisis. Lockdowns and supply chain disruptions are also driving the interest in and the need for technologies that produce better outputs with fewer inputs. Investing in disruptive products and processes that optimize materials, resources and production forms the core of the Robeco Smart Materials Strategy. In this way, the strategy offers a sustainable alternative to traditional resource investments. Our team of specialised investment professionals focus on companies that can benefit from structural changes resulting from resource scarcity. This includes investing in companies offering substitutes for products and processes along the entire materials value chain. Some of the most interesting and fastest growing areas covered by the strategy are automation and robotics, 3D software, lightweight materials, and energy storage materials. The strategy is ideal for global investors interested in creating better returns and looking after the world by investing in the efficient management and use of natural resources. In short, the Robeco Smart Materials Strategy is focused on investing in businesses providing products and services that substitute existing materials and processes, aims to select structural winners along the entire materials value chain, and benefits from a strong opportunity set as disruptions such as the pandemic encourage bolder changes and innovation. If you found this valuable, then please do visit our website for more content. See you soon.